Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT. If you've ever wondered what ChatGPT is and how it works, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. ChatGPT is a type of AI developed by OpenAI. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Quite a mouthful, right? But don't worry, we'll break it down. First, let's tackle generative. This means that ChatGPT can create text, whether it's answering questions, writing stories, or even composing poems. It generates human-like responses based on the input it receives. Next up is pre-trained. Before ChatGPT can chat with you, it goes through a training process. It learns from a vast amount of text data from books, websites, and more. This helps it understand language patterns, grammar, and even some facts about the world. Now, you might be wondering, how does it actually work? Well, ChatGPT uses something called a neural network. Think of it as a complex web of connections, similar to how our brains work. When you ask a question, ChatGPT processes your input and predicts what comes next, based on what it learned during training. So what can you do with ChatGPT? You can ask it to help with homework, generate creative writing, get coding assistance, or just have a casual chat. It's like having a smart friend available 24/7. But remember, while ChatGPT is powerful, it's not perfect. Sometimes it might get things wrong or provide answers that sound plausible but aren't accurate. Always double-check important information. So there you have it, a brief introduction to ChatGPT. It's a remarkable tool that's changing the way we interact with technology. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.